India runs one of the largest and most complicated procurement system for agricultural produce. Most of this procurement is only rice and wheat, and it is also highly uneven. It's not equally distributed across the country. We hear about it twice a year during the Kharif harvest season and the Rabi harvest season. The India Data Portal is delighted to provide data on procurement at the state level for rice and wheat. The procurement of rice and wheat is the bedrock on which India's food security is built. This is, for example, the stock from which the public distribution system or PDS is allocated. The India Data Portal also has data for the last few years on how much food grains were allocated to each state and how much of rice and wheat was actually distributed in that state, because these are not always the same. The distribution of rice and wheat through PDS happens every month. A very significant proportion of poor households in both rural and urban areas depend critically on the PDS ration for their food security. The procurement happens only twice a year, and in the meantime, while PDS happens every month, food grain stocks have to be continuously monitored. For a variety of market reasons, food prices are quite volatile, especially in terms of the cost of cereals for poor households. We are also delighted to provide data at a monthly resolution of the food grain stocks that are available in each state for both rice and wheat. These are the two most consumed cereals, particularly for the poorest households. By looking at data of how much is procured, how much is distributed through the PDS, and how much stock is available, policymakers and journalists can estimate these stocks and flows to determine the level of food security and potential distress in different parts of the country.